Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can mark complete orders in bulk and auto complete your orders if you don't want to go with step by step. So first of all, let us go to our production module for this. On your left hand side panel, you will see production module option. Please click on this. So now this is our production process list. So in the very first, you will be coming to the process stage all. Now here I have few of the processes which is in plan. I have already published it and it is in plan, but I don't want to run the production on this step by step. I will simply go ahead and just mark it as complete. How I can do it? You need to switch to the pending stage from process stage. So this is a list of 3 of my production processes which are here. So the first OC is cancelled, so I will not run this production process, but for 2 of the processes I will run the production process. Just go ahead and select these 2 processes, and on your right hand side in very top you will see option of update stage. I will click on update stage. Please check. Here you can take an action in the bulk, like bulk issue and approve inventory, or mark as complete. So I will select mark as complete. Once I will go ahead and click on mark and complete, it will just provide me a notification that RM will be auto consumed and FG will get auto generated and get added in your inventory. So I will click on confirm, and accordingly both of my processes are now moved in completed. So let me go to the completed segment, and here is one of the process which I completed just now. So I will open this particular production process, and please check the testing is auto done, the raw material consumption is auto done, and then after my production process is completed and my finished good is added. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you on how you can go ahead and take a bulk action on production process in once. Have a good day ahead.